One of the things I think even now I find difficult to advise clients on when they're looking at an extension or a new build is where to kind of start with it and when to get you guys in to get a quote, because obviously you need a set of information to be able to give a price, but then there's a long way to go before a client knows if it's even viable, because you read these things online that say, oh, you can get groundwork done for 20k and that's your whole extension, where we both know that's not the case.
No.
And it's just being able to get people to the point of something tangible. So where would you say people need to start and when?
I think it's a tough one. I think in all honesty, obviously people get an idea in their head, which is the initial, oh, that'd be nice to do. The thing that they then go wrong is they go to Google and they type in, how much will an extension cost? And obviously then they'll get a per square metre price, which ordinarily, depending on obviously 10 years ago to now, is obviously doubled in price. But you don't get included steel work, windows, doors. You know, sliding doors can cost anything from 5 to 20 grand, depending on the spec. But in all honesty, so I find it tough for a customer because they'll get an idea in their head. And obviously, you know yourself that you have to go through the place of, if it's too big, you got planning. But do you want to pay for planning? Do you want to pay for an architect, structural engineers, building drawings? If in reality, that's not feasible because the budget's not there. Obviously, people's budget needs to be opened up. And as you know, it's not a case of once you've got your build cost, then you need the finish cost.